One question that I often get from my in-person as well as online clients is, how much weight should I use in an exercise? Now, this is really going to be goal dependent, but let's just say that I'm looking to put on muscle and keep my joints safe over a period of my lifetime. Then I want to pick up, number one, a weight that I can control. So when I pick up a dumbbell, if I have to swing through this weight so that I can get the weight to move from point A to point B, I'm not in control of the weight. At some point of the range, you've got to be able to stop that weight from moving and hold it. If you can't, then you're actually diluting the amount of tension that you're putting on that muscle over a period of time, which is going to diminish my ability to build muscle. Number two, at the end of the range, I want to make sure that I can actually squeeze that muscle. I can actually engage it. At the end of the day, the weight doesn't matter. What matters is how I'm using the weight to squeeze or engage or contract the muscle. Number three, I want to think about what I have to hold still and what I'm moving. So for this exercise, I have to hold my upper body still, hold my shoulder in place, hold my upper arm in place, just so that I can engage the back of the elbow. If I have to come up out of the position or drop my arm down over time because the weight is too heavy, I'm not really working my tricep. And number four, I want to be able to work between 8 to 12 reps and be a little tired at the end. Maybe not exhausted, but a little tired. If I'm upwards of 30 repetitions, then I need to either up the weight or up the intensity.